US oil analysis for Friday the 15th of June. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices come and test the 66.71. We've had a successful break of 66.71. We've had prices head up towards that 67.12. From the 67.12, we've had a rejection from this 67.12 all the way back down towards this. That's not the definitely not the 200 period moving average, down towards this 40 period moving average here. We've held support. We've had prices trade back above the 66.71 despite having a rejection above at the 67.12. So we do still seem to be biased to the long side. Now we're in around this 400 period moving average. So if we can continue the upwards momentum and break and hold above 67.12, we're looking for a move up towards that 67.73. Successful break from which we're looking for a move up towards that 68.19. I don't anticipate prices moving much beyond the 68.19 here to the upside. Possibly move beyond 68.19. We're looking at 68.50 here on the US oil. If however we do break down and fail to hold support at 66.71, the very next level of note is a move down towards that 65.60. In around 65.60, we do have to be aware of the fact that we do have the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce from that level. Failing to hold support at 65.60, the very next level of note below 65.60 is a move down towards that 64.75. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices have been developing. Get the scale on here correct. So as we can see here, we are seeing a greater degree of bullish impetus enter the market. So a sharp sell-off, brief pullback, further sell-off. We did have this somewhat weak pullback. We do appear to be having a bit of bullish buy-side momentum coming to the market here to the upside. So it does appear to be a slight acceleration momentum. The market still does appear a bit weak, but there is still bullish momentum nonetheless. So we are realigning with the overall trend, which has been to the upside over the past couple of months. So despite having this sell-off, this bit of a pullback from a high time frame perspective, we do appear to be realigning at the moment, despite the fact that this recovery does seem slightly weak. It doesn't have the strength as to be there is a slight bias more recently to the long side on the US oil, but we have to remain cautious due to in light of the most recent sell-off. So in light of the most recent sell-off, we do have to remain slightly cautious here on the US oil, despite its realignment with the higher time frame trend to the upside. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.